My name is Alberto. I am the director for the Global Infrastructure Security Architecture team in Schneider. My team is a pot of cultures with presence in more than 13 countries and very high skilled architects, security architects. I think it's a good environment for working. And they are the owners of the most important security platforms in Schneider, so they keep the platforms running, they maintain the platforms, and also they react when there is a security incident. Well, we manage a good number of technologies depending on the field. I will say we have technologies for protecting the identity, we have technologies to protect the network, the cloud, and also the workplace. So my team can manage from host firewall, network firewalls, host IPS, disk encryption, antivirus, EDR, so it's a big number of technologies, security technologies. The Schneider Electric environment is very complex, so to protect this environment and to keep it safe, you need to use the most advanced technologies in the market. It's something that probably you cannot find in other companies. It's a challenge, but of course, I think it's super interesting for learning here and make a cybersecurity career.